All right, so I got the truck and trailer loaded up, and I'm leaving Michigan. I'm gonna head down to North Carolina, be in Lake Lure, North Carolina tomorrow with Feel Free. So I think Cedar's ready. So let's get on the road. My name is Mike McKinstry. I travel the country discovering new locations with a fishing rod, a kayak, and a camera. Along my journey, I test out new products to find out what works best on and off the water. I meet with exciting new guests along the way to show different tips, techniques, and share their stories. I cover many different bodies of water, travel thousands of miles, and use plenty of different baits and techniques to hunt for my one huge mythical fish that I call the Bassquatch. Join me and experience my adventures as I bring you in on my passion for the outdoors and the sport of fishing. Always take care of the fish you catch, the water you touch, and the people you meet. And welcome to Bassquatch Hunter TV. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. He loves it up here in the mountains. So be tying on the Copper Truce TRD from Z-Man Fishing Products on a 15th ounce Ned Locks head. I'm throwing this bait out here today because with the water clarity and the overhead sun, this should trigger a really good aggressive bite from these bass. So I'm gonna throw this on the bottom, I'm gonna work it slow, I'm gonna do it in a kind of a rainbow retrieve and see if I can get a fish while it's sitting on the bottom. This is my first time fishing in the Feel Free Dorado, and been out here for like an hour, maybe about 25-30 casts in, and I got my first fish finally a couple minutes ago, and the next cast was the second fish. So now I'm on my third cast after that, and I think I'm on a little bit of a school, so we'll see. Nothing great, nothing huge, but it's always exciting, especially when you're catching fish for your first time in a new kayak. Yeah, there we go. It's a good North Carolina bass. That 4-inch finesse worm, Bama craw color. It's monster bass on a copper truce TRD.
That's beautiful, man.
Look at that. That's a big North Carolina bass right there.
Love it.
That's the North Carolina Bassquatch.
That's what we're looking for. It's fucking marble eyes.
Beautiful, beautiful fish right here. Beautiful North Carolina sky. I'll tell you what, this office view does not suck. You got beautiful sunset over the beautiful mountains of North Carolina. And the beautiful Amy J taking a panoramic picture, which I'm gonna do actually the same thing because she's smarter than me. Now it's about 50 degrees, so it's still pretty cold out. But we're out here trying to catch some fish. Amy hooked up a fish earlier this morning, and I've had a couple of nibbles here and there, but water temps are about 58.5. So I'm throwing my copper truce TRD Ned rig on a 15th ounce Ned Locks head, and I'm working it super slow on the bottom, and trying to bring it across a little bit of structure and a little bit of drop off and see what we can get. But cold water fishing is kind of what I'm used to up in Michigan, so I should be right at home right here. There you go, first night fish on the Dorado. It's hard to see it in this light, but it's a nice bass right there. So it's a beautiful fall day here in the mountains of North Carolina. I'm loading up my truck right now. I'm gonna go over to the marina, pick up my new Dorado. I'm gonna get on the road over to Asheville to go over to the Fuel Free offices and get some work done there. Then I'll be on the road to Kentucky for a pit stop tonight. Possibly maybe some fishing in the morning, and then driving back to Detroit. So loading up the truck and getting on the road. We're at the Feel Free warehouse in North Carolina. Had to make a pit stop here really quick and get some parts and check out some kayaks. And then I'll be back on the road going back to Kentucky for the night. But I love coming here. It's always a good time. How many kayak warehouses have quarter pipes for skateboards? Probably only one. So I love coming here. It's always a cool reminder of how this company is all based on having fun, taking care of its customers, and overall feeling free. And that's what this company is based off of. And this warehouse is a reminder of that. Man, my truck is dirty from the travels. I have to wash my truck and trailer when I get home if it's not too cold. It's so nice here. It's like 65, 66 degrees. I'm wearing a t-shirt and my thin Columbia pants and my Crocs. I mean, I'm super comfortable. And I have to go home to freezing cold weather. I got my GoPro hooked up in my truck right now. And I'm going to get some really cool footage of that going down the freeway. I got a yak ear leash on it just in case anything bad happens. But hey, Cedar buddy. So either way, I'll get back on the road. I'm leaving North Carolina, and I'm gonna head north. Cedar's ready to go. All right, Cedar? Are you ready to go? So we're at this really nice hotel. We are getting ready to take off. We're in Kentucky. I'm going to finish packing up right now and cleaning up the room, and then I'm going to get on the road. I got about 7 more hours back to Michigan, and then get to enjoy the weather. It's like 31 degrees in Michigan, so we're supposed to get snow tomorrow, and man, it's a long way from the 65-degree weather in North Carolina. But get back on the road right now and start driving, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Finally home. It's been one heck of a drive. This trip was incredibly exhausting, but also incredibly exciting. We got a lot of really good work done. I got the new Dorado in the back of my trailer.
Then you have reached your destination.
Oh, that was kind of cool. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it on your page, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll talk to you soon, and thanks for watching the video.